Hey there. Ever wondered how those captivating music tracks come to life? Well, it all starts with a meticulously planned and creatively charged recording session. Whether you're a seasoned music artist or a visionary producer, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of music production. Let's explore how artists and producers prepare for recording sessions that result in the magic we hear in our favorite songs. So first things, we've got to pick the right song and give it that special touch. Artists and producers often spend hours sifting through potential songs, tweaking melodies, chords, and structures to make them fit the project's vibe. And hey, if they're feeling adventurous, they can even grab a ready-made beat from platforms like SoundCloud, Airbit, and more. Now let's talk game plan. Both artists and producers gather around the table and discuss what they want to achieve. It's all about project goals, the musical genre, and the vibe they want to create. They decide on the instruments, sounds, and of course, the songs that make the cut. Practice makes perfect, right? Rehearsal time is crucial. It's where artists and producers fine-tune their performance, ensure everything's on point, and maybe even sprinkle in a little creative experimentation. It's all about getting that groove just right. Okay, let's get technical. Producers work their magic to set up the studio just right. They calibrate microphones, check the signal flow, and optimize the acoustics. And you better believe they make sure all those fancy gadgets like amplifiers and effects processors are ready to roll. Time for a sound check. Engineers and producers team up to make sure all the levels, EQ settings, and effects are dialed in perfectly. It's like the final checkup before the big game, ensuring everything sounds just as it should. Singers warm up those vocal cords. It's all about preserving pitch and tone. And don't forget the instrumentalists. They spend time mastering their parts, whether it's nailing a guitar riff, a drum pattern, or a piano melody. Lights, camera, action. Recording takes are where the magic happens. It's like practicing until you get that perfect shot in a film. Each take lets you correct mistakes, improve the performance, and ensure your music shines bright. Now that you've got your takes, it's time to refine things. Editing tidies up any rough edges, removing errors or unwanted sounds. Mixing adjusts volumes and makes sure everything sounds just right. It's like crafting a masterpiece. The final touches, folks. Mastering adds that special polish, making sure your song sounds amazing on all devices. And let's not forget about backup. It's like having a spare key to your house. It's there to protect your music just in case anything goes away. Now here's where the fun begins, spontaneity. While planning is essential, leaving room for creative detours can lead to some incredible and unexpected moments. Producers and artists should be ready to improvise and let their creativity shine. To wrap it all up, every catchy melody and foot-tapping rhythm is the result of a delicate balance between structure and spontaneity. It's a dance of talent, creativity, and technical prowess that leaves a lasting mark on our hearts and ears. And that's how the magic happens at Union Recording Studio. When artists and producers come together prepared and inspired, great music is born. So get ready to make some musical magic of your own.